Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. Dawn got me a present. Actually, it's from all my neighbors. So what is in his? She knows that I love proven winners, right? All right. So look at my card. A friend like you makes everything brighter. Happy birthday. Have a great day. Cindy, Bonnie, Dawn, Helen, and Amy. Thank you guys. What's in here, Dawn? What can it be? All right, so I'm going to hand the phone over to Dawn, and she's going to video me while I open this. Are you excited?
I am.
All right, guys. So, by the way, I'm getting a little bit of an early birthday present. My birthday's April 25th. So, let's see what I've got. I've got 4 boxes.
Oh.
4
boxes?
4 boxes. Let's see what's in here. I'm gonna have to stand up, Dawn.
Okay.
I'm getting old.
It's a live plant.
So, how do I get this thing out? Do I turn it upside down, or do I?
I think you
Maybe
have
I
to.
just rip it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't.
plants from proven winners.
Yeah. You see that sign that says "Keep up"? Don't tip it over.
Yeah. Keep from frost and extreme heat.
Okay.
So I think we're okay. Which this is a shrub, so it's okay. It's not like a perennial that's gonna if it does get frost, it still should be okay. But I think we're clear of all that now.
Just a little dirt. Oh.
So Dawn has some of these Perfecto Mundo in her garden, and hers are red. And I've been wanting orange for my side garden, so I guess that's why you bought me these, Dawn. Thank you. And let's see, the Perfecto Mundo orange. These were developed here in North Carolina, so I think these azaleas are going to do great here. So I'm pretty excited about trying that. And I love Dawn's because it stayed in evergreen pretty much all winter, right, Dawn?
It did.
Yeah?
Mhm.
So, you want to put the phone right here, Dawn? Let's read it. Light up your landscape with the sizzling hues of Perfecto Mundo Orange Azalea. Spring through fall, this plant delights waves of orange flowers and tidy green foliage. And it takes full sun. We're going to plant it here in my Westside Garden. The zones are hardy in 6B through 9, and I live in Charlotte, North Carolina, zone 8. And I like that this stays a little not as tall, 2.5 feet tall by 3 to 4 feet wide. And if you need to prune it, you can prune it too. And it's reblooming, so I should be able to get flowers spring, summer, and fall. It says you can use in your borders, containers, or in a woodland garden. So I guess, it does take part shade. It can do sun or part shade.
Oh, cool. Mine are in all shade.
Because I looked
all
at
sun.
woodland gardens, and I was like, well, it would have to do okay in the shade too. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I wished it was blooming now. I really don't see any buds on it just yet. But
You know where it shipped from?
Michigan?
Mm-hmm. It did.
Did it come from the Proven Winners direct?
Yeah.
That's where I visited when I went last year.
And that's what I thought.
Yeah. All right, so let's look at this box again. So another orange one.
Because we know you do things in 3.
Yes, I do. That's why I'm wondering why there's 4.
I don't know.
Okay. And this is another one. Our box is not getting sturdy here. And here's another one. There we go. Oh, well, I thought this was blooming, but it's not.
Oh, okay.
No blooms on it yet.
I bet you it will bloom, though.
I know, yours are blooming gorgeous right now. Oh, just empty.
That way they didn't tip over in the box.
That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah. I had the same thing because I opened it to make sure that I got what I ordered, and
You're like,
why is it 4? And you waited the last one to open it before you found the empty one.
That was weird.
I found the empty one, the second one.
Yeah. Wow, I don't even know how to got it back in there right. All right, so we'll put this over here. Maybe I'll have Paul just burn that. All right, so Dawn's gonna help me plant these. So she says.
That's what I said.
Or
video.
Film. All right, where should we put them, Dawn?
All right, we're gonna go.
So this is the Westside Garden. I need to get these tulips up. I was actually thinking right there originally, but those Amsonia came back. I could
What?
do it further down, or I could do it here. They would look pretty.
A little hedge right there in front of your hydrangea
Yeah.
tree. You might have to move that pot. But
Yeah.
you know where you could put that pot? You could put that pot right up here, where you have a tough time.
Yeah.
Where you have a tough time planting because of the tube.
Yeah.
So you could put the pot right there,
I could.
and then you can do your little hedge right there.
1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
We can come down here and look. I mean, I've got this little space in here too. But I think it'll show up from the road right there better.
And you know I want to be able to see it.
Yeah. I think this is pretty much full for the most part.
Yeah, I think right in there.
Okay.
I like that area.
All right.
So that's where we're gonna go.
I usually have Paul remove them, but they said to keep brown snakes because they eat like snails and slugs.
Yeah, that's what it's probably eating. Is because I didn't have it. It's video now, but I didn't have it on. But I saw it. It was curled up around that. But
That right there.
because that's gonna be a nice little hedge right in front of that.
Yeah.
What do you think? Right, like just like that.
It. Yeah.
I think it's Perfecto Mundo.
Perfecto.
Perfecto Mundo.
Place.
Yeah, that's gonna be pretty.
Oh.
And now your pot shows up there better.
Yeah.
It
I'll
shows
have
up.
to get some.
Yeah.
Move this lemon quill. It'll probably go down into it too.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get to
Alright.
planting. We'll be back momentarily. Had to do a little bit of yard work to. Does it matter which way I have the phone? No, this way is fine, right? Yeah. All right, so she's tidying up before we.
All right here. Let's move all this away. So I guess this arrived today, right, Dawn?
Mm-hmm. It did.
So as soon as you get plants in the mail, you should go ahead and remove them from the box.
You need this?
Yeah. And at least give them like a drink of water. As soon as possible. Goodness.
So they had it wrapped
So the dirt
to
will
try to
come
keep
out?
the. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's not going to be too hard to plant these. It's a good size to plant.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What did I do with my power planter, Dawn?
It's right behind you with the biotone. All the important things.
Yep. Really wet. So,
Yeah, we found wet clay.
So when I'm planting something like this and it's bigger than just like a quart size, I like to make 3 holes. And then kind of twist it all around. Did you see what I saw? I saw worms and snakes and grubs.
Oh, I'm standing in the snake bed. Oh, yeah. Forgot about that.
He's tiny.
I know.
And I hope he's a brown snake. A brown garden snake.
He didn't have any diamond pattern or anything on him, so. I didn't take time to look at his head.
Of course, my husband, he pruned my holly. Alright, well, I don't want that in there, do I? Alright, I need to get by a tone. I think that's going to be fine. Well, probably too deep. You think that looks good, right, Dawn? Right there?
Yep.
Okay, put some biotone in there.
Oh, there's some crazy birds around here. Holy.
Oh my gosh, Dawn. We came back from dinner last night and the big hawk got one of my mockingbirds.
Oh no.
And he was in the back yard and the hawk was hitting the bird. There was feathers all over the place. And as soon as he saw Paul, he left.
Oh,
Took
no.
the bird and left. But there was a big pile of feathers. I'm like, oh gosh. Alright, every time I plant, I use biotone. I only skip this part if I absolutely forget. I try not to forget. I might loosen that dirt up a little bit better.
Smell the biotone.
Yeah.
Oh, nearly.
Alright, and I never waste any dirt. I still always put my dirt back around the plant. This is what our clay soil looks like when it's wet. Make sure you get all the air out around the roots. Cauliflower growing right there. Alright. So now we got 2 more to plant, and as soon as we get these 2 planted, we'll come back and show you what the final results looks like.
Yep.
Alright. Sets of 3. 1, 2, 3. I think it's gonna be really pretty. And then Dawn will be able to see this from her house.
It's Perfecto Mundo.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. I love orange. It's my new obsession. And thank you, Dawn and girls, for my birthday present. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.